we know what to do. Let's get started. Okay, let's get through mine now.
Dad, look what Aunt Valerie sent us.
Oh, I see. I see.
And I got American Eagle.
Wow.
I got a Christmas tree.
Wanna see what it looks
I
like?
got a trick.
Look it.
Actually,
Wow.
I got a trick and Sunny got a Christmas tree, but she didn't like the Christmas tree. She didn't think
Who got Boppy?
something-
Lobster sheep.
She didn't think it would be something that she could put on Grandma's couch at Christmas.
Yeah, but I'm going to give mine to her.
Sunny?
That's a birthday. Let's get started on the Christmas tree.
You know what?
Christmas.
I think these two look better together, don't you?
I think let's do mine
And these
first.
two?
Can we do mine first?
Maybe the chick one can have the white background.
The Christmas tree could have the white background. The trick background is, look, the trick background. Cheap, Jack. The trick background is all color. There's 90 on it.
Where I put that?
And anything that ain't cross-stitching.
Yeah, and this is mine.
Just telling you.
Okay, color it in.
What?
The same.
You want me to color it in for you?
Yeah. Yellow.
Okay.
I mean pink.
Sunny, I need to color it in what color it is.